We had reported yesterday that a team from DRDO's gas turbine research establishment made a visit to a Rolls Royce's engine facility in Bristol City in the United Kingdom, and as per latest information, the Indian side was showcased the Eurojet J200 low bypass turbofan engine. The Indian team was led by Indian High Commissioner to the United Kingdom and the Director General of DRDO's Production Coordination and Services Interaction, and they discussed the possibility of co-developing a 120 kN thrust engine for India's AMCA 5.5 generation fighter program that will also be equipped on the TED-BF and Tejas Mark II. A team of Argentinian officials are all set to visit the Tejas production line in Bangalore next week for an in-depth inspection of the HAL facility and to get a detailed presentation of the Tejas aircraft on offer to the Argentine Air Force. Argentinian officials will be given access to Tejas simulators and also access to the FOC standard Tejas aircraft. HAL officials have already visited the facilities of Fábrica Argentina de Aviones, which is Argentina's main aircraft manufacturer, where the selected aircraft will be assembled. According to a media report, Lockheed Martin's F-16 has zero chances of winning the MRFA contract from India, especially after $450 million F-16 fleet sustainment package to Pakistan. If India puts requests in acquiring fifth-generation fighter platform from any country, then Russia will definitely step in and offer Su-57 and Su-75 with local production and transfer of technology, which could force the United States to counter this move and offer its F-35. The foreign lobby is also making a strong case for going with fifth-generation aircraft rather than for a 4.5-generation aircraft, as a number of countries have already started work on the sixth-generation fighter program. The Indian Air Force has started a program to conduct life extension studies on its Su-30 fighter jet in order to determine the feasibility of increasing its operational life from 25 years to 35 years. The Indian Air Force has made it clear that only Indian firms with the required expertise will be allowed to participate in the project that will be conducted at the 11 base repair depot in Nashik. The work will be accomplished in 3 phases, that includes study of aircraft structural issues and removal of corrosion in the airframe, fixing and strengthening certain load-bearing areas, and attempting to make a few structural changes. In the second phase, the selected company will undertake life extension checks on the aircraft in supervision of the base depot, and in the third phase, the company will independently undertake life extension inspections on the remaining aircraft, and 5 Su-30 aircraft will have their lives extended every year. The Indian Air Force Chief has said that the central government has approved the creation of a weapon system branch for the officers of the Indian Air Force, which would result in the savings of 3,400 crore rupees in flying training. The new branch will operate 4 specialized streams that include surface-to-surface missiles, surface-to-air missiles, remotely piloted aircraft, and weapon system operators in twin and multi-crew aircraft. The Indian Air Force also unveiled a new digital pattern combat uniform of the force on its 90th anniversary today. The Defense Ministry has said that out of a total of 214 items mentioned in the first and second positive indigenization lists, the defense public sector undertakings have carried out indigenization of 72 subsystems much before their original timelines of December 2023, December 2024 and December 2025. The items include magazine firefighting system for ships, steering gear system, pressurized containers for Akash missiles, prism optical instrument for battle tanks, intermediate castings for helicopters, polypropylene rubber bands for submarines, and high-pressure regulating valves for ships. The Indian Army has ordered a court of inquiry into yesterday's incident of barrel burst of a T-90 tank that happened during night firing at the Barbina field firing ranges in UP yesterday. An armored regiment officer has said that there could be several reasons for the barrel burst, that includes dust or faulty ammunition, and only after detailed inquiry the reason for the unfortunate incident will be known.